Did I win, guys? Okay. Let me record. Wait. So she put a shadow, oil, and a neon turtle for my neon furs. I kind of like this officer because I love turtle and oil that I didn't even have yet. So I think it's a kinda a good officer. You think so? Okay, I'ma try my best. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Bye bye, Pro. Bye bye, Miss Bluey. You're always good for me. I already have a neon shadow once, but I think it's a good way that I can get the oil. Okay, 3. Oh God. 3, 2, 1. Did I just... I'm really just gonna escape. Oh my God. Come on. I'm kinda nervous about this. I hope she's gonna escape the trade, please. I love the oil. And I want a meal also. Can I? Please? Please? Lo, can't think one. I already recorded the video. I'm YT. Oh my God, guys. Don't forget to sub, like the channel. Come on. Please. Share this. Please. Oh, you skip it. Oh my God. I will miss you. I will miss you. I will miss you, Miss Bluey. I don't know. It's fair. Mr. Oil. Thanks. I will try to make neon oil. I'm gonna try to make a neon oil. Mr. Turtle can get some more also. Good. Okay, guys, what you're thinking? Also, Mr. Shadow. Ta-da! We call the moon. Okay, guys, so don't forget to click the subscribe button if you wanna see more videos about trading, building, and another game that I'm playing. Okay, so I think that's our video today. So